Assalamualaikum. My name Muhammad Hazim bin Mansur. Metric number B0919100476. Today I will cover about diode half wave rectifier. Introduction for rectifier. A rectifier is an electronic device that converts AC voltage into DC voltage. It converts alternative current to direct current. A rectifier is used in almost all electronic devices. Mostly, it is used to convert the main voltage into DC voltage in the power supply section. Working of half-wave rectifier. During the positive half cycle, the diode is under forward bias condition and it conducts current to RL load resistance. A voltage is developed across the load which is the same as the input AC signal of the positive half cycle. During the negative half cycle, the diode is under reverse bias condition and there is no current flow through the diode. Only the AC input voltage appears across the load and it is the net result which is possible during the positive half cycle. Half-wave rectifier. In a single phase half-wave rectifier, either negative or positive half of the AC voltage flow while the other half of the AC voltage is blocked. A single diode is required for a single phase half-wave rectification and 3 diodes for a 3-phase supply. Half-wave rectifier produce more amount of ripple content than full-wave rectifier, and to eliminate the harmonic of require much more filtering. For a sinusoid input voltage, the no-load output DC voltage for an ideal half-wave rectifier. VDC VAC mean DC output voltage or average output voltage. V peak mean peak value of input base voltage, and VRMS is the output voltage of root mean square value. Operation of half-wave rectifier. Junction diode conduct only during the forward bias condition. Half-wave rectifier use the same principle as junction diode and through convert AC to DC. In a half-wave rectifier diode rectifier circuit, the load resistance is connected in series with the junction diode. When the positive half cycle, the diode is under forward bias condition. When the negative half cycle, the diode is under reverse bias condition. The voltage output is measured across the load resistance. During the positive half cycle, the output is positive and significant. When the negative half cycle, the output is zero or insignificant. This is known as half-wave rectification. Half-wave rectifier. During the positive half cycle, the input voltage is applied directly to the load resistance when the forward resistance of the diode is assumed to be zero. The waveform of output voltage and output current are the same as the of the AC input voltage. During the negative half cycle, the voltage and circuit across the load remain zero. Magnitude of the reverse current is very small and it is neglected. 3-phase half-wave rectifier. 3-phase half-wave uncontrolled rectifier requires 3 diodes each connected to a phase. The 3-phase rectifier circuit suffer from the high amount of harmonic distortion on both DC and AC connection. There are 3 distinct pulses per circle on the DC side output voltage. Half-wave rectifier characteristic. IV peak inverse voltage. During the reverse bias condition, the diode has to withstand because of it is maximum voltage. During the negative half cycle, no current flow through the load. PIV of a half-wave rectifier equal VSMAX. Regulation. The ratio of input AC to output DC is known as efficiency. Ripple content is defined as the amount of a content present in the output DC. If the ripple factor is less, the rectifier performance will be more. Transformer utilization factor. It is defined as the ratio of AC power delivered to the load and transform secondary AC rating. Half-wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier diagram. Advantage of half rectifier: cheap, simple, easy to use, and low number of components. Components required to make half-wave rectifier: first, transformer, diode, LED, capacitor, and resistor. Thank you.